We're the 5 dwarf planets of the solar system in order from the sun. We're the 5 dwarf planets. According to the IAU, we're the only ones. My name is Ceres. I'm the smallest dwarf planet and the closest dwarf to the sun. I'm the largest object in the asteroid belt. Between Mars and Jupiter I run. Scientists think my bright spots are salty deposits made of sodium carbonate and ammonium chloride. I'm the only dwarf planet in the inner solar system, and my surface is completely dry. Hello, I'm Pluto. I used to be the 9th planet in the solar system planetary mix. But when Eris was discovered, it had 27% more mass. The IAU demoted me in 2006. I've since been a dwarf planet in your solar system and have 5 moons that orbit me so nice. I'm thought to have a rocky core which is surrounded by a mantle of water ice. We're the 5 dwarf planets of the solar system in order from the sun. We're the 5 dwarf planets. According to the IAU, we're the only ones.
I'm Haumea. I am a dwarf planet and was discovered in 2004 at the Palomar Observatory by astronomer Mike Brown. And I have 2 moons, now here's some more. My elongated shape is thought to be because the fast rotations that I make. Located in the Kuiper Belt outside the orbit of Neptune and the 3rd closest dwarf to the sun, for goodness sake. I'm Maki, the 4th dwarf planet from the sun, also located in the Kuiper Belt, you see. Discovered in 2005 by Mike Brown and his team at the Palomar Observatory. I have 1 provisional moon, its name is MK2. It's about 13,000 miles from me. I appear to be reddish brown in color, but I'm so far away that you can barely see. My name is Eris. I'm in the Kuiper Belt. I'm the 5th dwarf planet from the sun. I have 1 known moon, it's named Dysnomia. Its orbit lasts about 16 days on its run. I'm the most massive, but the 2nd largest dwarf planet after Pluto in the solar system.
If you wanna learn more about us individually, watch all of Kids Learning to Planet videos at once. We're the 5 dwarf planets of the solar system in order from the sun. We're the 5 dwarf planets. According to the IAU, we're the only ones.
I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres. I'm in the asteroid belt. Between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. I was spotted for the first time in 1801 by Giuseppe Piazzi, the Sicilian. I was named after the goddess of agriculture. The Romans gave me my name in their time and culture. I am the smallest orbiting planet in our solar system. It takes 4.6 years for me to go around our sun. I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres. I'm in the asteroid belt. Between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. NASA's exploring me with
with a space probe named Dawn, and found a crater named Arcader that had bright spots on. Nobody really knows why those spots are there, what they're from, but with all these scientists I'm sure the answer will come. In 2006 my status changed to a dwarf. Before that I was a planet and I was an asteroid. I am Ceres, the smallest dwarf planet, the closest dwarf to the sun, the star that we orbit. Yeah, I am Ceres, I'm in the asteroid belt. Between Jupiter and Mars is where my presence is felt. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. I used to be the 9th planet in our solar system, but didn't meet the 3 criteria the IAU had written. 1. A planet must be in orbit around our sun. 2. Has the mass to assume hydrostatic equilibrium. 3. It has cleared the neighborhood around its orbit. And that is the reason that I am now a dwarf planet, son. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. I was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh. He worked as an astronomer from Lowell Observatory in Arizona. I was named Pluto by an 11-year-old girl named Venetia Burney. Pluto was the Roman god of the underworld. Astronomers recently found him the biggest dwarf planet around. 736.3 is my radius and I'm brown. My name is Pluto, an ex-planet of the solar system. I've been demoted to dwarf planet status, so please listen. Maybe the IAU will reverse my status to a planet, but for now I'm happy being a dwarf planet, so there you have it. My name's Haumea, I am the 3rd dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. My name's Haumea, there is debate on who discovered me. It was either Caltech or a Spanish observatory. My first nickname was Santa before the IAU named me. 2008 they changed me to dwarf status officially. Yeah, I am oval, it's because I rotate at a high speed. One of our system's fastest rotating large objects I be. My name Haumea comes from the Hawaiian culture, you see. It means goddess of childbirth and fertility. My name's Haumea, I am the 3rd dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. I have 2 moons, Hayaka and Namaka, orbiting me. Namaka is the smaller, Hayaka is large and icy. 3.9 hours makes just 1 day on my rocky surface. I take 285 Earth years to make 1 orbit. My surface is believed to have a thin but icy coating. Yeah, I'm unique to other dwarf planets, I am gloating. I'm Haumea, I am the 3rd dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. I'm Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the 3rd largest dwarf planet in outer space. And my color is red and I have no atmosphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere. On March 31st in 2005 is when the Palomar Observatory brought me to life. Easter Bunny was my name when they discovered me. 2008 87% more massive than your Pluto. Yeah, Pluto is slightly larger than I am, you know. I'd take 500